guys the chance that went through our programs, our apprenticeship programs, to compete and put their skills to the test, competing against the best of the best. I mean, all of the chapters from across the United States of ABC are here with their guys. San Diego's in the house to win.
They're also helping each other to not just get the medal, but to take their careers to the next step. Their contractors are generally here rooting them on, so it's also a great thing for their company. They're here to represent not just ABC San Diego, but their member contractor as well.
I was telling my wife, I remember what it's like to be nervous and to sit down and get in that flow state and not see all the people around you and just focus on the craft that you have. And it's a hard feeling to duplicate once you're out of this situation.
Do so well because our programs have quality instructors that also, many of them, probably 90% of them, went through our program as well. Some of them have competed here at nationals at past years and got medals, so they take real pride in training the next generation.
We have quite a spirit here at ABC San Diego, so yeah, we're all, I would say, individual cheerleaders, not just for the company, but for our apprentices, our journeymen, instructors. It's a big family.